We're in a much more normal market than we've been in a long time. It is relatively even now. Buyers have more opportunities to look at houses before they have to make a decision. Sellers are still being able to sell their houses.
A new report says the hot housing market in Fargo is cooling down. Realtor.com says Fargo has fallen from the top 20 hottest housing markets to the bottom 50%. But local officials say not so fast. Valley News Team's Melanie Palmer has our story on the Fargo housing market that's getting cooler but isn't cold.
It is different than we've been used to the last couple of years, but it's not bad. It's still a good market. Houses are still selling. Houses are still appreciating.
According to a recent report, the Fargo housing market is ranked 166 out of 300 metro areas in the country. In 2012, it was ranked the 16th hottest market in the nation. So why the significant shift?
Locally here now, obviously the oil boom is not as strong as it was. The agriculture economy is not as strong as it has been. We are seeing some effects to the local economy, but year over year, our stats continue to increase.
Jobs have brought many people to the area that caused a new growth and development, such as apartments and townhomes. But before that scares you from putting your house on the market, there's something you need to know.
The rest of the country right now is increasing tremendously. They're in a regrowth period right now where the economies are coming back, jobs are coming back. And since we didn't fall nearly as far, they're making much more strides as they come from where they were near the bottom to back to normal levels.
Ostley says that Fargo is in a more normal market than previously. He claims that buyers have more opportunities to look at houses before making decisions, and sellers are selling their homes.
We sold more homes this year to date, than we did last year, which was more than the year prior. The rate of growth may not be as high as it used to be, but it's still growth and it's still positive.
Ostley tells us that everything is going the right direction in the Fargo housing market, but it's just not at the same pace as previous years. In Fargo, Melanie Palmer, Valley News Live.
According to the report, North Fargo looks to be doing better than other parts of the city. Ostley says the rate of sales really depends on the season.